done, Kuys. Oh, yeah, finish that first. And then you talk. Don't talk when your mouth is full. Kuys. Hey. Hello, good morning, my beautiful girl. Are you Indy? What's your name? What's your name? Sabi niya, D. What's your name?
Daddy.
Na, Daddy na tuloy. What's your name? What's your name? What's your name? Say mama. Say mama. Ay, yung tinatawanan ka lang. Say mama. Mommy. Hala. Say daddy. Say daddy. Say I. Unfair man yan, be. Be. Unfair na yan, ha? Unfair na. Sumusobra ka na, be. Say mama. Oh, wow. Tapos ikaw pa yung galit. Wait. Say mommy. Say mommy. Oh, here's your toy. You dropped it. Yay! Say Ayla. Say Ayla. Ay. Say Indy. Say Indy. Maglagot biya ko anang buyag nga Indy. Maglagot biya ko ana. Happy Sabado, everyone. Happy Sabado. Happy Sabado. Tapos na ako magkape. Yeah, he will. He will. Just wait for him, okay?
Daddy?
Yes, Daddy's busy. So, yung niluto ko kagabi na nilaga, konti lang. Kasi nga, yung kakain, ako, at saka yung mga bata. Kasi nilutuan ko si Dan ng steak kahapon eh. I don't know guys, kung na-vlog ko yon. Every night is a hectic night. Yung ulam niya was steak, tapos may corn, tapos may asparagus. Tapos kumuha pa siya ng soup. Inubos niya yung gulay. So, ang natira sa aking nilaga is puro mga meat. Look. Ayan na lang yung natira. Dinamihan ko yung gulay eh. Daddy, no. Daddy did that. That's okay. You can have the soup and rice later. And pork. Na. Yes. Tapos nung naghuhugas na siya, hala, kasaba. Nung naghuhugas na siya, sabi niya, kakainin mo pa ba to? Sabi ko, oo naman, ang dami pang laman. Sabi niya, hindi, ano na lang, meat na lang. Pagtingin ko, ay, sabi niya, kumain ako. Okay lang naman, kakain siya. Siyempre, di ba? Pero sana dinamihan ko ng bongga yung, gulay pala. Tsaka sabaw. Nahilig siya sa sabaw eh. Pero hindi ko lang in-expect na after niya kumain ng dinner niya, kukuha pa siya. Kinain niya lang talaga is yung sabaw at saka yung mga gulay. Hindi na siya kumain ng pork. Kasi nga, may na siya eh, dinner na siya. Ang ingay-ingay naman. Ingay-ingay. May isa doon, may isa dito. Buti nga yung isa nasa taas. Hindi hindi pumasok si Ayla ng gymnastics. May sore throat siya kasi sabi niya may neck hurts. So, may sore throat ang ating... I don't wanna pick you up because I'm gonna do the laundry. Sige na nga, mag-laundry na nga tayo. Ayaw tayong pagbalagin itong ating mga anak. Yeah, so, masakit daw yung neck niya.
I'm telling Daddy to finish my food.
Oh, you're telling Daddy you finish your food. Okay.
I have to
Tell Daddy to change your nappy. Put your jocks on, please. Okay?
Daddy?
Huh?
Daddy, I'll finish
Ask Daddy, I don't have it.
my food, Dada.
Maakit na sila lahat, be. Saan ka na? Hindi ka makapasok. I'm just here, India. Kailangan ko lang tong pag-sprayhan tong damit mong pakadumi, be. Pakadumi. So, yung ginagamit kong pang spray ng damit ni Inday is ito. Miss Mouth's Messy Eater. Napapansin ko na nag-work siya sa strawberry stains lang. Which for me is not worth it. Ang mahal nito, guys. And mabilis lang siya maubos, lalo na sa stains ng damit ni Indy. Like, it works. Instantly, nawawala talaga yung strawberry stains. But then, hindi lang kasi strawberry yung kinakain ng anak ko. Lahat kinakain niya. So, yung mandarin stains, hindi siya natatanggal. Or actually, I'm not sure, baka watermelon din. Hindi ko pa na-try pala. Pero sa napapansin ko, natatanggal niya talaga yung strawberry stains. And, kung napapansin nyo, hindi ko kasi nilalagyan ng bib si Indy. Hindi siya komportable. Tinatanggal niya talaga yung bib. Tapos iniisip ko, sus, dami ko na namang lilinisin. So, yung ibang damit niya, hinahayaan ko yung stain, lalo na kung papunta ng hindi kasya sa kanya. Pero ito kasi, masusuot pa niya to ng ilang beses pa. So, tinatry kong tanggalin yung stain. Ay, naku, pupunta na naman sa bahay si Daddy. Daddy, pero sa akin ka tumitingin. Mama! Say mama! You ha? Ako, parang iniinis mo na lang ako, be? Ya. Why are you angry? Ya. Sus, kabuyag. Hoy! Ang ingay niya, guys, no? Ang lakas ng boses nitong batang to. Ano naman yan? Ang lakas ng boses niyan. Bakit man ang lakas ng boses mo? Baka naman iniisip ng mga tao kung ano na nangyari sa'yo. Nagtatawag lang naman siya. You wanna get out? You wanna get out? Okay, get out. Sige, help mama. Sige. Help mama. Oh. No. This way. Oh, here. Oh, the guys, here. The guys are here. Come on. Alright, mommy, close. Come on. Push to close. Ready? Daddy. Ay, may naiwan. That's alright. May naiwan isang puti. Where is Indy? Where is Indy? Peekaboo. It's going now. Just wait, mommy doing this. Yeah, come on. Excuse me. Excuse me. Excuse me, fingers. 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 Excuse me, fingers, babe. Fingers. Close. You close that. Come on. Push to close. Close. Come on. Let's go. Push to close. Babe, come on. Ready? Watch it. Come on. 1, 2. Good job, Indy. Good helping. Come to mama. Come on. Come here. Beautiful, India. Ito na yung ating nilaga na parang nagmukha ng sinigang. Wala nang mga gulay. Inubos ni Daddy. Gumawa din pala ako nito last night. And then rice. Susubuan ko lang si ate at saka si Indy na kanina pa naghihintay. Binigyan ko ng strawberry kasi yung rice hinihintay pa namin. Kalat na naman, be. Pagkakalat na naman natin, be. That's okay. You want food? Yummy, yummy? Sobrang init pa, be. Wait, sabi ha. Sobrang init pa talaga. Kakaluto lang talaga ng rice. So hot. Ininit ko din itong nilaga eh. Pero yung rice yung sobrang init talaga. Sobrang init, babe. Wait.
Daddy.
Lagyan din natin ng pork. Yes, wait. Liitan natin yung pork. Oh, here. Wala na. Hindi ako makakasubo talaga. Kailangan busugin muna tong isa kasi nagtatawag. Nagagalit. Yummy. Ang sarap. Okay. Hot? Is Kuya sharing? Tingnan mo to si Kuya. Kakarating lang nila, guys. 1:05 na. Kasama to ni Dan. Si Arlo Agoy. Arlo, I told you not to give it to her. Naku naman. Sabi ko sa kanya, hawakan lang. Kakatapos ko lang mag-clean up dun sa kinainan ni Indy kasi nag-strawberry. Wala na to. I need to put it in the bin. Well, I'm sorry. You didn't do it properly. Sabi ko kay Kuya, hawakan na. May couch pa akong lilinisin, Day. Huwag mo akong sigawan dyan. She spilled it on the couch, too. Wait. So, kakarating lang itong dalawa. Pumunta to ng bahay. Oh, that looks good. That looks good.
The second picture.
Yeah, that looks good.
Yeah.
Good job, Molo.
Some of the photos are a bit dark and so a little bit there, but
You're really good at doing stuff like this, Mama. Do you do this for a living?
Dad, you want to sing this funny song?
sure.
Oh, nice. That looks nice. Yeah. That's good. Yeah, that looks good.
I'm just getting out simple as well. Like,
What do you put?
Yeah.
I got a spelling mistake. Like, building roads.
Yeah.
Both it's
What do
like,
you got? Stones.
Yeah.
Top. 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 Mr.
Yeah, that's good.
Here. I got the power.
Yeah. Nice. Finally. Good job.
I got a couple of fires so far.
You do? Wow. Bilis, huh? When did you post it? Today, right? Yeah, 3 hours ago. May inquiries na agad yung aming ano. Finally, guys. Tapos na. Finally. Ilang weeks din yun? Ilang weeks ba natin yung nire-renovate? Like, yung doors, lahat ng doors pinalitan namin. Yung locks ng mga doors pinalitan lahat. Freshly painted yung buong bahay. Obviously, yun ang laki ng iniba ng bahay. Itsura pa lang. Yung blinds, in-install namin. Pinalitan namin yung mga cortina ng blinds. So, that looked way better as well. Bakit tayo may port power na music na naka-on? Copyright ba to? Ang pool, pinalinis natin. So, tapos na yun lahat. I'm so happy na tapos na. Kasi nakakamiss ang ating daddy, no? Nakaka-occupy talaga siya ng weekends. Pero alam naman namin na yun talaga yung mangyayari kapag bumili kami ng bahay. Kasi hindi naman brand new yung bibilhin namin talaga. Plano, yun naman talaga yung plano. So, alam talaga namin na we need to fix it up para maparentahan siya. But I'm just so relieved na tapos na siya. Thank you, Lord. No? Kasi hindi lang siya nakakakuha ng oras. Ano din siya, magastos din talaga siya. Yung sabi namin, ano lang, gagawin lang namin low maintenance, hindi namin siseryosohin yung pag-aayos, but hindi mo din kasi kayang like, iwan yung pangit na door, gusto mo din talagang palitan. So, wala talaga sa plano yung iba na gagawin. Kaya lang, kailangan mo siyang gawin just to, you know, make sure na maglalast yung bahay. Tapos, para hindi naman nakakahiyang parentahan. Tapos, nung pina-check din namin siya, may mga nakitang kailangan ayusin. Like, yung toilet, hindi namin in-expect na papalit kami ng toilet bowl. Pero nung pina-check namin sa plumber, sinuggest niya, and plumber kasi close friend ni Dan yung plumber eh. So, that was an advantage para sa amin. Pinalitan ng bagong toilet, yung isa sa mga toilet dun. Tapos, yeah, pina-check namin yung plumbing system para, ano talaga siya ba? Maayos talaga siya kapag nirentahan na. Kasi responsibilidad din naman namin kapag, let's say, meron na kaming tenant, responsibilidad din talaga namin kung may kailangan ayusin. But, ay, thank you Lord, tapos na. Bukas, magsa-celebrate tayo bukas. No, magsa-celebrate tayo bukas. Hindi lang tayo pwedeng mag-celebrate sa malayo. Kasi plano sana namin, ay, naku, ka. Wag na lang natin sabihin. Yeah, we need a break, no? Mommy needs a break. Daddy needs a break. Hoy, hoy, hoy! Saan ka pupunta? Hoy! Hello! Sus, kabuyag-bayag pa na akong ibibi. Hoy! Kakarating lang nitong dalawa. Umalis to, guys. Ang dami nang nangyari, no? But, dinala ni Dan yung dalawa. So, sabi ko, ay, mag-i-edit ako. Naka-edit ako. Thank you, Lord. Naka-edit ako kahit nandito to. Kulit-kulit nito kanina. Pero masaya lang siya kasi busog siya. Kakagising niya lang. So, kahit gising siya the whole time, naka-edit ako! I'm so happy. Naka-edit ako, guys. Kasi lately, ang hirap na talaga i-insert ng editing as in. But, ang saya-saya ko kapag nai-insert ko siya. Alam mo yun? Nagpunta sila ng shops kasi bukas hindi makakapunta ng shops si Dan. Though kakagaling ko lang ng shops, alam niyo naman guys, diba? Sabi ko nga sa inyo, halos araw-araw kami nasa shops talaga. Anyway, Dan got this. Para sa kanya to, gnocchi napoletana. He got ham. Ooh. Para to sa kanya at saka kay Indy. We have broccoli. Ay, no. Hilaw to be. Hindi mo pa to makakain. Hala, ano na nangyari? Bakit bumili si Dante nito? Bakit may Coke? Naiinis ako kapag may ganyan kasi napapainom din tayo. Wala naman tayong bisitang parating. Sabi ko sa kanya, bumili ka ng meat na gusto mo. Para sa kanya yan. Kasi may mga plano akong lutuin na dinner na para sa amin ng kids. Hindi ko sure kung kakainin niya or magugustuhan niya. So, sabi ko, make sure na you buy your own dinner. Ako pa din magluluto, syempre. Pero, alam mo yun. So, ano siguro to? Steak. Siguro yan. Croissant. And, nagpabili ako ng dalawa nito, guys. Kasi, kailan ba ako nag-grocery? Na bumili ako ng isang pack niyan. Hindi inabot ng kinabukasan. Or, basta hindi siya inabot ng 2 araw. You want this, no? Ito, busog to, ha? Bibigyan ko nito. Gustong gusto. Tapos gusto ko din siya na sinasnack ni Indy kasi it's not as messy. Though she will still get her fruits. See? Ang sarap kumain. She still eats her fruit and veggies and rice. My gosh. Those are really messy. But this one's nice too. Pangdagdag sa snack niya. Tapos this one is not as messy. You know? So, ito yung brioche sliders. 2 na yung pinabili ko kay Dan. Kasi pati si Ayla gusto din nito. So, it's plain. Gusto kasi ng mga anak ko yung mga plain. Si Arlo din ata gusto din nito. Ayla, do you want some brioche bread? No? Hello? Do you want some bread?
Yes.
Yes?
I'm hungry.
You hungry?
Yeah.
Hindi ka naman maka-hungry.
Yeah.
Here. It's yummy bread. You're welcome. Good manners. So, 2 na yung pinabili ko. Ang bumili si Daddy nito. Okay, yan. Gusto ko yan. Masarap yan. Kaya lang, yun yung problema. Masarap. Gusto ko yan. Kaya minsan ayoko na ng nakastock ng mga gusto ko. Kasi hindi natin napipigilan ng ating sariling kumain. Pero okay lang, hindi naman madalas. As you notice guys, lagi kami nag-grocery pero minsan nyo lang to nakikita. Parang I don't remember the last time we got Doritos. I like Doritos but I do not buy it at all. Yummy? Opo ka. Uy, para makakain ka ng ayos. Ito nilabas na ni Daddy kanina. Nagmamadali kasi siya. Tapos napansin ko na nagmamadali siya. So sabi ko, ako na bahala dyan. Tapos akyat siya diretso. Meron siya kailangan asikasuhin. Bumili din siya nito. Orange juice. Orange and mango fruit drink. Ito din hindi ako bumibili nito guys. Kasi yes, it's a fruit drink but it's full of sugar. It's just sugar itong mga to. Kaya napapansin nyo hindi nagjujuice yung mga bata. Either water or milk. Yun yung drinks nila. Kasi hindi ako bumibili ng ganito. But si Dan mahilig sa ganito. Ito yung nakalimutan kong bilhin nung nag-grocery ako. Yan din yung dahilan kung bakit nagpunta si Dan ngayon. Kasi kailangan niya ni Ayla sa Monday school.
Yummy, mommy.
Yummy?
Yeah.
Yay! That's good. Tapos mamaya pala, punta kaming Chachi's. Yung Mexican restaurant na gusto naming pinupuntahan. Kasi it's the weekend, you guys. You want more bread? Oh, of course. We have a lot of bread. Huh? You want bread too? You want one too? Oh, diba? Sabi ko sa inyo. Oh, ayan. Ilan na lang yung natira sa isang pa. Alright. One for Indy. One for Kuys. And one for Ate Beauty. Oy, sorry. Beautiful Ate.
I'm lost.
You're last because you're the most beautiful girl. I always save it to the last girl. The most beautiful one. What do you say?
Thank you.
Hmm?
Thank you.
You're welcome.
The guapo boy.
You're a very guapo boy. I know you are.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Guapa. Ah, you're guapa. Indy's guapa.
And you want guapo.
Alo's guapo. Yes. Do you wanna sit here next to them? Do you wanna move to your ate? Ay, nako, dyan ka na lang. May kalat ka na dyan. Para isang linis ba? Okay lang ba sa'yo, B? May kalat na dun sa baba. Oh. Dyan ka na lang, ha? Yeah. If I move you, dalawa na namang lugar ang lilinisin ni Mami. Kawawa naman si Mami, baby. Kawawa naman yung Mami na yan. Ano bang gusto mong gawin ni Mami lang? You happy? Ay! You're so happy. Let's go. Nasabi ko ba guys, we will have dinner sa Chachi's Mexican Restaurant. Nagpalit lang ako ng top, tapos naglagay ako ng cardigan. And I will just be wearing my, ang tawag dun? Ito. Ano ba tawag dito sa sapatos na to? Dito na pala kami guys. That's a drinks menu, my love. So for the kids, apple juice for you, Ayla. I'll just go lemon bitters for me as well. Uy.
What about Arlo? What do you want to drink? An apple juice?
Ingay naman itong isa. Daddy.
Maybe strawberry?
Short black. He said short black.
You want a coffee? you want a beer?
Hey, what do you want? Here.
What sort of beer? Mexican beer? 4 beers? You want 4 beers? Okay.
You want beer? Full beer. What does he want?
I'll just get an apple juice.
2 apple juice. 2 lemon bitters. And then we'll go chili con queso. For the tacos, can we do different meat for that? Or?
Yeah, you can have like 4 tacos.
Yeah. One of each. Okay.
Flavors of the
They've got chicken, beef, pork, and vegetarian.
Yeah.
So no vegetarian.
I don't think like chicken either. I can just go beef.
Okay, so
beef.
2 beef, 2 pork.
Yeah.
Yeah, for the tacos, yeah. And then we'll go the nacho supreme, please. The large one
With
chorizo. Yeah. And then curly fries for the kids.
It's kids curly fries.
Yeah.
and
then the quesadilla, but just cheese quesadilla. No meat. Yeah.
No meat.
Yeah.
Just a veg quesadilla.
No veggies either. Just cheese quesadilla. Yeah, yeah. What's wrong? Chili con queso. Cheese dip. Curly fries. We are low.
yeah, good job. Save it for each other. That's enough.
Yeah, that's enough. Finish that first. Good boy.
Jesus, mister.
Ito yung kumakain na. Kahit ang init-init. Dumating na pala yung quesadilla namin. Ayan na, na-divide na.
What did you want?
And nachos. Sarap yung nachos nila dito na may chorizo.
What?
May tacos pa pala guys. Ang dami naman pala nito.
Instead of tacos and nachos before.
Yeah. Sorry babe, what did you say?
Instagram the nachos and tacos before. They look alright.
Ah, yeah. Does Alo want milk too or just ate? Daddy, I'm not daddy. Say mama. Say mama. Ikaw hindi ha. Kanina ka pa hindi ha. Say mommy. Guys, gabi na guys. Mga 10 na ata. Oh, here, Ayla. Don't drink it there. You might spill it. Gusto ba ba? Say mama. Say mama. Say mama. Mama. Say mama. Mama. You wanna sleep? Yeah? Dada. You wanna sleep? Say mama. Say mama. Bye, Edie! Bye! See you later! Bye-bye siya. Bye-bye! 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 You wanna come? Go upstairs with mama and ate? Oy, oy, wag dyan, wag dyan. Gusto talaga sa obstacle, oh. Careful, careful. Look at your clothes. Okay, let's go. Say goodnight to daddy. Say bye to daddy. Wave. Daddy, Ayla's waving. The girls are going up, up, up to the club. Up, up, up to the club. Wait up, wait up. Wait up, wait up. May tubig. Ayla, can you bring my tubig? Please. Thank you, ate. Ate's got the tubig. Alright, let's go. Sus, tingnan mo ikaw. Nakatakot ka. Thank you, ate. Oh no, my phone.